Hello everybody, Mark Anthony, welcome back. Today, it's time to change out the shower head. The Veken rain shower head with handheld head. And it is going to replace this one right there. Yes, Las Vegas has really hard water, so. Alright, shower head, the old one's gone. It says to clean the threads. Okay, they don't say to do it, but I do it anyway. I've got some plumber's tape that I wrap around it. Just so you know, this is just a thread protector, and you can unscrew that. All right. Be sure you have a wrench handy. Okay. Okay. So here's this. All right. Now, this is going to feel loose, okay? But the more you tighten here, the more this will tighten down as well, okay? And keep the extension arm going upward. Okay, this loosens this. This one down here loosens this whole arm. Okay, so this one loosens this arm, this loosens this. All right, so tighten it down. There you go. I think that's how that's supposed to go. All right. Again, you're going to need a wrench to tighten that, and the more you tighten that, the more this will tighten. And then you tighten that down, and you tighten that down. You got it. All right, let's go to the next part. Okay, so I attached the handheld. There's that. I want to let my wife decide where she wants to hang this. But okay, so we go from that to this. That little knob right there. Okay, this is why I wanted you to watch it to the end. I installed this upside down. All right, so all I did is I loosened this knob and I loosened this one right here, and I just turned this. Okay, so I just turned this one, but I had to loosen these two up. So don't force it. All right, but this has to go down. All right, sorry about that, but plus having it that way, this is higher up. Okay, I like that. I knew something looked strange there. Okay, there it is. All right, so just remember that goes down. All right, there you go. Okay, this is what holds. This is supposed to go like that, but I'm going to let my wife decide where she wants to put it. So, all right, and that goes right in there. There you go. All right, there it all is. Take a look at it.